Think you know Tesla? Think again. I bought my first Tesla back in 2016, a used 2015 Model S, and after almost a decade of ownership, I'm still discovering features that blow my mind. Some of these have been on Teslas since 2012, and they still feel like the future. Today I'm breaking down 10 Tesla features that continue to impress me, even after owning one for 9 years. Starting at number 10, free lifetime map and navigation updates. My 2015 Model S has never charged me a penny for navigation updates. The maps update automatically through the car's cellular connection. I never visit a dealer. I never plug in a USB drive. It just happens in the background while the car is parked. I drove through a new development in my city last month that was built in 2024, and my Tesla's navigation already had all the street names and addresses mapped. The system knew about a restaurant that opened 3 weeks ago. It suggested a detour around construction that started yesterday. The fact that my 10-year-old car has more current maps than some brand-new vehicles is remarkable. Over the years I've owned this car, I've saved probably $1,500 in map update fees that I would have paid on other vehicles. Number 9 is regenerative braking, and this completely changed how I drive. When you lift your foot off the accelerator, the motor reverses and slows the car down while putting energy back into the battery. You can adjust how aggressive it is, but once you get used to it, you barely touch the brake pedal in normal driving. I just replaced my brake pads for the first time last year at 142,000 miles. The brake shop told me they still had 30% life left. I've owned this car for 9 years, and I'm on my first set of brake pads. Every time I get in the car and use one-pedal driving through city traffic, I'm reminded how clever this system is. You're not just saving money on brakes, you're recapturing energy that would otherwise be wasted as heat. At number 8, the 17-inch vertical touchscreen. When I first saw this screen in 2015, I thought it looked excessive. 10 years later, I can't imagine going back to a smaller display. Everything is right there. Climate control is a single tap. Navigation takes up the whole screen so you can actually see the map. The backup camera view is huge and crystal clear. The interface is so intuitive that my 68-year-old mother figured it out in about 5 minutes. The screen size makes everything easier to see and easier to tap while driving. I've had this car for 9 years, and I've never once thought the screen was too big or distracting. Number 7 is over-the-air software updates. My 2015 Model S has received 87 software updates since I bought it in 2016. That's 87 times the car improved without me doing anything. I wake up in the morning, and there's a notification that says an update is ready to install. I tap a button, go make breakfast, and 20 minutes later, the car is better than it was yesterday. In 2019, Tesla pushed an update that increased my charging speed by 5%. The car now charges faster than when it was new. In 2020, they added a dash cam feature that records video using the car's built-in cameras. In 2021, they improved the visualization so I can see more detail about what the car is detecting around me. The car I'm driving today has features that didn't exist when I bought it 9 years ago. That's incredible when you think about it. At number 6, remote climate control through the mobile app. I can open the Tesla app on my phone and turn on the air conditioning before I get in the car. In the summer, I start cooling it down 5 minutes before I leave work, and the interior is already 68 degrees when I get there. In the winter, I preheat the car while I'm having my morning coffee, and the seats and steering wheel are warm when I slide in. This sounds like a small thing until you use it every single day for years. I haven't sat in a hot car in the summer or a freezing car in the winter since 2016. It's one of those features that fundamentally changes your daily experience. My wife tried my Tesla for a week while her car was in the shop, and when she got her car back, The first thing she said was how much she missed preconditioning the cabin temperature. Number 5 is the Supercharger network. When you pull up to a supercharger, you plug in and walk away. The charging starts automatically. The payment happens through your Tesla account. You never swipe a credit card. You never download an app. You never wonder if the charger is going to work. I've taken my 2015 Model S on probably 20 cross-country road trips. I've driven from California to New York twice. I've driven through the Southwest, up the Pacific Coast Highway, and through the Rockies. I've never had a trip where I couldn't find a working supercharger. The network is so reliable that I don't even think about charging anymore. I just drive, and when I need to charge, I pull into a supercharger station, plug in for 25 minutes, and keep going. At number 4, instant torque and acceleration. The 2015 Model S with the standard battery does 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. The performance version does it in 2.8 seconds. But the numbers don't tell the whole story. Electric motors deliver 100% of their torque the instant you press the accelerator. There's no lag, no waiting, no hesitation. You press the pedal and the car moves immediately. I've been driving this car for 9 years, and the acceleration still surprises me sometimes. I'll merge onto a highway and floor it, and the surge of acceleration makes me laugh. I had my brother-in-law in the car last month, and I accelerated hard from a stoplight. He grabbed the door handle and said he wasn't expecting that from a sedan. The crazy part is, this performance doesn't degrade over time. My Tesla accelerates exactly the same today at 142,000 miles as it did when it was brand new. Number 3 is the mobile app control. The Tesla app isn't just for climate control. I can lock and unlock the car from anywhere in the world. I can check if it's charging. I can see exactly where it's parked. I can honk the horn and flash the lights if I forget where I left it in a big parking lot. I can open the trunk remotely. I can schedule charging for specific times. 2 years ago, I was on vacation in Europe, and my son borrowed my car to drive to his college orientation. He called me at 2 a.m. because he couldn't remember if he locked the car. I opened the app from my hotel room in Italy, saw that the car was unlocked, and locked it with one tap. The level of control you have over the car from your phone is something I use multiple times every single day, and it's been completely reliable for 9 years. At number 2, basic Autopilot. Tesla started rolling out Autopilot in October 2015, and I got it on my car through a software update a few months after I bought it. The car keeps itself centered in the lane on the highway, maintains a set speed, and adjusts based on traffic. It brakes when the car in front slows down and speeds back up when traffic clears. I've used Autopilot on every road trip since 2016. It makes highway driving so much less exhausting. The car handles the boring parts of staying in the lane and maintaining distance, and I just monitor and take over when needed. On my drive from San Francisco to Seattle last year, I used Autopilot for probably 80% of the trip. I arrived feeling fresh instead of drained. After 9 years of using this feature, it still feels futuristic every time I engage it. And the number 1 feature that still blows my mind is zero powertrain maintenance. There is no oil to change. There is no transmission fluid to service. There are no spark plugs. There is no timing belt. There is no air filter for the motor. The electric motor has about 17 moving parts, and they don't wear out. I've owned my 2015 Model S for 9 years and 142,000 miles. In that time, I've replaced tires 4 times, replaced brake pads once, changed the cabin air filter a few times, and filled the windshield washer fluid. That's the entire maintenance list. I've never had the car in the shop for a major repair. I've never had a breakdown. I've never been stranded on the side of the road. The car just works. When I think about all the oil changes I haven't done, all the transmission services I've skipped, all the maintenance appointments I haven't scheduled, it's remarkable. I've saved thousands of dollars and countless hours over 9 years just by not having to maintain an engine and transmission. Every time I pass by a quick lube shop, I'm reminded that I never have to stop there. These 10 features have made owning a Tesla for almost a decade an absolute pleasure. Some of them save money, some save time, and some just make daily driving more enjoyable. The remarkable thing is that most of these features have been on Teslas since 2012, and they still feel advanced today. Hit that like button if any of these features surprised you, and subscribe for more honest content about what it's really like to own a Tesla long-term. Drop a comment and tell me which feature you think is the most impressive. Or, if you own a Tesla, what's your favorite feature that you use every day? I read every comment.